Union Home Minister Amit Shah says no force can divide Manipur. BJP government will never let it happen. The Union Home Minister made this statement while addressing an election rally for BJP candidate T.H. Basantakumar at Hapta Kangjebung in Imphal East district today. Amit Shah continued that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's priority is to restore peace in Manipur, keeping its integrity intact by holding talks with all sections, including those who are trying to divide Manipur. The Union Minister also stated that Manipur will witness peace in the days to come, recalling that for the past 6 years, Manipur was peaceful. He assured that BJP will be holding talks with those who have ignited the conflict as well as those who have endured due to the conflict and restore peace with its integrity intact. Mentioning that Chief Minister N. Biren, although a reserved person, ILP was implemented in the state after the Chief Minister's appeal to implement ILP to safeguard Manipur. Amit Shah further added that the Modi government is all set to fence the borders after the centre became aware of illegal immigrants attempting to disturb Manipur's demography. As such, FMR has been scrapped, which was an easy part for the drug smugglers. Union Home Minister Amit Shah assured that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's priority is to restore peace in Manipur, keeping its integrity intact by holding talks with all sections, including those who are trying to divide Manipur. It may be mentioned that the Union Home Minister arrived in Imphal around 2:50 p.m. after attending an event held in Tripura. During his visit to Manipur, he attended the election rally at Hapta Kangjebung and inaugurated Thambal building located at Nete Park to take. Later, Union Home Minister Amit Shah left Imphal for New Delhi at 4:20 today.